I don't have my sideboard because I'm moving on Thursday. Thursday will be our last day in here.
She's like, it's gonna be
Mr. Reese's
Thursday.
original room. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna take notes today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. And then Thursday and Friday, we're gonna do a project. And then Monday, we'll review for our test on Tuesday. Okay? It is not a group project, hopefully 2 weeks. It is, what? Okay. That's probably how long we're going to be in our temporary room. Okay. So, I don't really think you're going to learn a whole lot of new today. We're just going to put a whole bunch of things we know together. So, we are focusing on the composition of transformations, which just means we're going to apply a transformation and then we're going to apply another transformation. So we're going to transform it. We have a new shape. Oh, now we're going to take that and apply a transformation, new shape. Okay, so we're going to have to be very careful with our notation. Okay, our first transformation, we will label that figure with primes. But then when we have to do another transformation, we'll have to do double primes. Okay, now, specifically, a glide reflection is a translation followed by a reflection. But the cool thing about this is that the reflection is about a line that is parallel to our translation vector. So it looks kind of aesthetically appealing. Okay. So actually our very first example is going to be a glide reflection, so I can show you what that looks like. Okay. You good? You good over there? Okay. Okay. So we have our original PQR. And the first thing we want to do to PQR is translate it along the vector -4, 0. Okay? So with each of those 4 points, we are going to move them left 4, up 0, and we're going to label those 3 new points. Okay? So let's do that. Left 4. Q, oh, I guess I did Q first. Q prime becomes -2, 5. P prime becomes -3, 1. Are you okay?
I have a back off.
Okay. And R prime becomes 0, 2. I feel like I need a cough to fit in.
Yeah, my dad's probably cold last week and like did not do anything like serious.
Don't give me sick.
It's going to be okay. Okay, do you notice how I labeled my triangle P prime, Q prime, R prime? Okay. Now, with the orange triangle, we are going to reflect in the x-axis. So here is my x-axis. We're taking the orange triangle and reflecting it over that x-axis. So my new P is going to become -3, -1. My new Q is going to be -2, -5. And R will be 0, -2. And that is our image.
It looks kind of like a triangle.
It should. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to give you a moment to finish your drawing and writing, and then I want to show you how this is a glide reflection.
Because it glides over and reflects.
Well, so we're reflecting about a line parallel to our vector. So since our vector, let's see, pink. Since this is our vector right here. Okay, so this is our vector right here. Okay, there's our vector. And notice how the x-axis is parallel to that vector. Therefore, we call it a glide reflection. We glide and then reflect parallel. Okay? Sorry, should I have done it in orange instead?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is what I'm going to have you do. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. I want you to take these points. And it looks like very first, you get to rotate about 180. Those will become your A prime, B prime, C prime. Then with those, you need to translate along the vector to get your final triangle. So go ahead and work together at your table. Make sure you're getting the same things. Sir, would you like to tell me why there's a nerd gummy cluster on the floor that I just stepped on?
I dropped the bag.
You dropped it and it rolled all the way over here.
I did.
You dropped it.
I dropped it.
He actually did.
I asked her. And Aaron. And Jacob.
Guys, that's actually pretty cool. You gotta like do that.
Does it go off the grid?
Yep.
Off the grid.
After rotating 180 degrees.
Oh, I did that one. I'm a little bit. I'm a silly guys.
I'm a genius. No, you're not. Okay.
Did somebody say my name?
Can't help my intelligence.
Okay, do you agree that after our rotation, we have coordinates 6, 2, 5, 5, and 2, 1?
Oh.
Then we translate left 2, up 4.
Yeah.
So your new coordinates are
No way, I got those.
what? 4, 6, 3, 9, and 0, 5.
I think you put the C too high up.
It doesn't matter, Philly. There you go.
Yeah, that.
And that's not actually, it's B.
Double prime.
Yeah. See, this is why you pay attention.
See,
Okay. All right, go to example 3.
I'm gonna remember that.
Okay, we need to figure out how to get blue, ABC, to green, DEF. We're obviously going to need more than one transformation. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to talk about it at your table and come up with an idea.
Wouldn't this be a line transfer? First, we'll have to like rotate.
Rotate it 180. Rotate it 180.
And then translate. If it's then translate regular test.
Yeah, translate. So it would be
0.
yeah, it would be. But if you
Alright, so I and then translate.
You have a paper.
It's just a pattern.
Mama zero.
Okay. Raise your hand if you think you have an idea. Excellent. Logan.
You have to rotate it 180 degrees, and then the translation is 3-0.
Did anybody have a different plan?
Reflect to the x-axis. Reflect in x equals 2.
Okay, so you said reflect x-axis and then reflect x equals 2. How many of you did the pink one? Just Charles and his table. How many of you did the blue one? Who has a different one? Does the pink one work? Oh, okay. What?
It does not. It doesn't work. It's not a glass reflection. It's about
So,
Yeah.
It'd be x reflect x-axis and reflect x equals 1.5.
1.5. Yep. Okay, I can get on board with that now. All right. Take a look at this one.
But wouldn't that be a light reflection and not a confirmation of transformation?
It is. It's just a special kind of composition of transformation.
Oh,
The glide reflection is fine.
How many steps are there?
2.
it's rotate 270.
Yeah, it does not say how many steps.
I'll tell you. 2.
Rotate 270. Wait, no, it's not.
Across the x.
Reflect 270. Rotate, because rotate gets the proportions right. And then you gotta move it. Stop looking at me. It works. You're just staring at me. You literally
Rotate 3.
literally just
No, plus 180.
Because 180 if we get it is.
No, you go x to 1. I mean, no, x, y, to 18. Because your weight is right.
So 3-0.
Wait, no, that doesn't work for.
If you rotate, wouldn't it be rotating it?
Fail at 2 seconds.
Okay. Who has an idea?
Yes, they are.
What's your idea?
Rotate 270 and then translation of 4-0.
yeah. Literally.
Can we talk about rotation and what the rotation would be?
If we did 270, then.
Aren't we going from XY to PQ?
Oh, I thought it was. I was top one is like the better one.
So if we rotate we get here, and then we glide to the right. Slide. We slide to the right.